In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to activate the Bybrand integration with Zoho CRM to deploy email signatures for your sales team remotely. Navigate to the integration menu and select the Zoho CRM integration. Here you'll find helpful tutorials for guidance. Go to the Manage menu and enable the Bybrand app in your account. Once the application is authorized successfully, import your Zoho CRM users. You'll see the count update to 3 users. Now you can deploy signatures directly to these users' accounts. Go to the Signatures menu and select Paste to Email. Look for the Zoho CRM integration in the sidebar and choose which user will receive the email signature. When you check Zoho CRM, you'll see the email signature has been added to the user's account.